So the first part of the process is I need to take a piece of sandpaper. I could use the machine, but I want to do it this way for right now. Um, and I need to basically sand it down back to its original wood state. This is the way it was before with all the shellac and all the stuff. I don't know, whatever they put on it to make it darker. And I'm bringing it back to this. Why? Because if I just paint it on this, then because there's all this damage on it, you'll see it because there's like cracks here and stuff. It's not smooth. So even though I have something new and that'll make it shiny and gray and all of that fabulous, when I put it on this, it won't look good because it'll just show all the cracks and it's uneven, and then the color wouldn't be the original gray that I want. It'll be on top of this, and then I have to do two more. And I think that says a lot about life. Sometimes we are in a hot mess, right? And we just like, oh, you know what? I can't stand this relationship anymore, or this mess that I've gotten into. And you just you try to fix it by completely changing yourself. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm not gonna deal with this anymore. So now I'm not gonna talk to that person anymore. And you just walk away, ghost them, whatever. And that doesn't fix the restoration. You think you've put something over it, but you not talking about it, leaving, running away, doesn't fix the damages. And you can put whatever you want on top of it, but it's gonna show all those damages. That's why you have to bring it back. You have to take the time to sand it down. And when you sand it down, you get this beautiful smooth surface, something that you can work on and make it something new. So it may mean you need to have that tough conversation with that other person or with yourself and be honest. And it hurts. I mean, this doesn't sound nice. I mean, if I did this to my skin, it hurts. So I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Getting real hurts. It may hurt more. You're already stinging and in pain, and it hurts more. But you have to get down to the bare bones. You got to be honest with yourself. Yeah, that person may have talked about you behind your back, in front of your face, and said all this stuff on social media and badmouthed you to your friends, but were you a good friend to begin with? Did you not do that to other people? I mean, seriously, if you talk about people behind their back and you use social media to that and you do that in front of another person, what are you telling that person? That you're capable of that. And so when the time comes, like, oh, I would never do that. No, you did it with so and so. You badmouth so and so. Oh, but they deserved it. Do they really? Do really people need to be dragged through the mud through social media, not being able to talk things out clearly with a good ending, as opposed to you just getting your clap back in and you feeling good for a second? So, restoration. You got to get down to the bare bones. You got to get down to that smooth surface. And it may take, like I did it a couple of times, but it needs some more. You may have to do it a couple of times. You may have to have another conversation with that person. But let me tell you, it's worth it. Stay tuned.